Two-column verbs. Two-column verbs, 二段動詞, have their conjugation within two columns, 一 column and 五 column, being referred as upper two-column verbs, and within a column and 五 column, being referred as lower two-column verbs. This grammatical term cannot be found in modern Japanese. To state it more clearly, there's no verb working under this rule in the modern Japanese anymore. Today, verbs under this category become to merge into one-column verb, 一段動詞. Here are a few examples. つく, to run, has its endings of a ki, ku, while works with the different helper verbs. つきず and the verbs imperfective, 未然 form. つきたり in continuative, 連用 form. 作ること to modify a noun in attributive, 連体 form. 作れば in perfective, 依然 form. And つきよ in imperative, 命令 form. みつ、みちず、みちて、みつること、みつれば、みちよ。こう、こいず、こいたり、こうること、こふれば、こいよ。恨む、恨みず、恨みたり、恨むること、恨むれば、恨みよ。くゆ、くいず、くいて、くゆること、くゆれば、くいよ。ふる、ふりず、ふりて、ふるること、ふるれば、ふりよ。う、えず、えて、うること、うれば、えよ。あく、あけず、あけたり、あくること、あくれば、あけよ。うす、うせず、うせて、うすること、うすれば、うせよ。育つ、育てず、育てたり、育つること、育つれば、育てよ。たずぬ、たずねず、たずねて、たずぬること、たずぬれば、たずねよ。あたふ、あたえず、あたえて、あたふること、あたふれば、あたえよ。あつむ、あつめず、あつめたり、あつむること、あつむれば、あつめよ。みゆ、みえず、みえたり、みゆること、みゆれば、みえよ。うう、うえず、うえて、ううること、ううれば、うえよ。Here is a note on two-column verbs. Examples seen here, such as ううる、みゆる、つくる, are the attribute 連体 form to each verb. However, on the dictionary, an entry for the word uses its predicative 修辞 form, thus うう、みゆ、つく. This fact, the dictionary form of this group of verbs does not end in ru, may be a sort of unexpected result to some of the learners. One has to pay attention to it. Remember to properly see the difference between a 4-column verb and a 2-column verb. The related information is clearly stated on the dictionary. 6 drills for 2-column verbs. Again, each deals with a different form. See you at the next lecture.